I'm Alexander from René Paris. Today I'm going to do a little bit of styling with you on one of everybody's favourite wigs. Yeah, it's Zara. So here she is. She looks great, looking stunning in this curl pattern which we all know and love. But you know, Zara has been out now for a little bit of time. She's had a couple of years out there, so you know, you might have a Zara and you might say, well, I want to rework her a little bit and I'd like to do something different. Well, that being the case, let's do something different. So first off, I'm just coming in with a nice soft brush. I'm just going to brush her through a little bit. So since Zara has come out, we actually came out with our very, very own flat iron, our René Paris hot tool, which is just to die for. So I've been meaning to do a little bit of a rework on Zara's since we got the hot tool. So today is the day. So first off, I'm just going to brush her through and just soften the pattern of curl a little bit. And what this will do, this will get rid of any kind of knots or tangles that you possibly could have, which sometimes you get with curly hair, just because of the nature of curly hair. You know, it wraps and it coils, so it sometimes can tangle. So before we run through the hot iron, we're gonna get rid of all any tangles and brush her through. So just gonna sit that into the forehead. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. So what I have ahead of time is I have the René Paris hot tool ready to work. So what you can do is you can take sections just like I am, just with your fingers if you want, and first go underneath. So just one pass with the hot tool will start considerably making this a bit straighter. But also one pass, as if you can see, it's left a little bit of curl on the ends. So if you don't want to go fully straight, you don't have to. So what I'm going to do first, before I section anything off, is just going through a little bit freer. So I use the teeth, see that, ladies and gentlemen? Put the teeth like a comb and then run that down, nice and soft. Teeth, comb, run that down. You see how we start getting these softer areas. So you could actually straighten the whole head like this. I think for now I'm just going to soften it off because you know, you don't know what you've got till it's gone, okay? So although I'm saying, right, let's go for a really, really straight style, it might look beautiful just with that little bit of wave left in there. Because I can always go in and do more. So you've heard the saying, less is more, you know? Just don't rush in straight away. See how that's ironing through? Wow, I think we're going to really like the Zara rework. And just to give you a little bit of a recap, we've been working with the René of Paris hot tool, which is amazing. Amazing, amazing. The heat is set to not damage our fibres. And you know, this Zara, like I said before, Zara was launched a couple of years ago. So if you were somebody that bought Zara and you're like, you know what, she was amazing, but you want to try something new, try this. You know, give her a little bit of a sleek style. I mean, she looks amazing. And what you might have seen when I was speeding it up is I was actually resting the flat iron. Let me show you. I was resting the flat iron on here. So when I rest this on top of the hair, naturally I get that little flick out towards the bottom. Now that's really nice because it just gives you a little bit of texture. You might not want that. If you don't want that, don't flick out towards the bottom. You could turn it under like a bob, or you could just go super straight. But for me, I'm going to try this texture. So I've probably only got a few more passes right now of the wig. So I'm just going throughout the back, just make sure she's nice and on the head. And as you can see, guys, it's like I've been styling on this head today. It's not popped off. I've just had to move her around a little bit. So very, very delicate styling. We're not pull. We're not over tugging the hair. We're just getting that nice straight texture in there. So I'm just going to put the hot tool to a side. I'm going to use the soft bristled brush just to connect all of the sections together, which I've been curling. And then what I use is like just the natural moisture from my hands and the palms of my hands. So just use those to work my hands down the hair. Can you see how that's sealing that together? Okay, so just, you don't always need a load of products on hair or a load of products on the wigs or the fibres. Sometimes just being precise with your movements, it really helps. So there she has it. And then just towards these ends, you see what I'm doing with my fingers here, is I'm then holding these together, because what you will find when you straighten or put any kind of hot tool into hair, whether it be bio hair or fibre, what you will find is you will naturally get a little bit of static. So just want to work that static out of the hair a little bit. And then using the wig lift comb to put a bit more texture in. With it having the wide teeth, what that will do is that will just allow you to have a bit more texture running through. Really made that colour pop. Looks amazing in this ombre tone as well. Really, really cool. And then what you can do is just the final little bits to finish. So those final little bits at the ends, just might want a little bit more polish on there. So yeah, see how that just polishes those ends a little bit. And the same on the other side, just make those ends frame a little bit. So hold it in, hold it, bend it round and hold it in. Hold, 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 hold. See that little bit of bend, just going into the face, just gently, not wanting to overdo this. A little bit. That just looks amazing. So one last comb through. Great, really, really cool. So let's leave Zara there. And what do you think at home? What do you like? What gets you about this style? I mean, for me, now I've done this, Zara looks a little bit like Sassy in the Orchid Collection, which is a high heat style. What do you think? I love it. I've got to say, I think on balance, I think I prefer Zara curly, but I like her straight as well. I think it's given a nice option. And if you have any wigs out there that have been maybe in your wig closet for a while and you want to give them a new lease of life, by all means, try the flat iron. It is a game changer. You've just seen what it's done to Zara in not very much time. But for me, I'm Alexander. This is the René of Paris channel. Thank you for being with me today. Remember, follow us on all forms of social media. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.